When we talk about crafting, we often think of glue, scissors, colors, and shapes, but crafting is so much more than putting pieces together. It's about crafting, creating something with your hands that also carries a piece of your heart. Every cut, every brush stroke, every knot in the thread, they are not just steps in the process, they are moments where your mind is calm, your thoughts are focused, and your soul is quietly speaking. Crafting teaches us patience in the world that moves so quickly, where everything is instant and disposable. Making something by hand reminds us that beauty takes time. You can't rush a carefully folded paper, flower, or perfectly painted ornaments. Each moment in the process has its own purpose. It also teaches us presence when your hands are busy creating. Your mind stay in the moment. You're not thinking about yesterday or worrying about tomorrow. You are right here choosing the perfect shade of green or deciding where the next beat should go. It's mindfulness but with a spark of joy. And then there's a story every craft tells one. Maybe it's a blanket your grandmother made and passed down to you. Maybe it's the handmade birthday card you gave to your best friend. These objects carry moments, they carry the time, effort, and love you put into them, and that can't be bought from any store. Crafting connects people. Think of a family gathered around a table, making festival ornaments together. Think of friends sharing beads and fabrics laughing as they sew. As you, these moments become part of the craft itself, woven into its very fabric. And when you give a handmade gift, you are giving more than just an object, you are giving the hours you spent making it, the thought you put into choosing them, detail, the care you took to make it beautiful. It says, you matter to me enough for me to create something just for you. Crafting also reminds us that perfection isn't the goal. Sometimes the paint smudges, sometimes the paper folds unevenly, but those imperfections make the piece human, real, they make it yours. Whether you are thinking knitting, painting, carving, or building, crafting is a quiet. If you want to watch more videos like this, so subscribe my channel and follow more for the best videos. Go to the comment section and write what you want to see, what you want to watch. We will try to bring for you very best and very easy to make a style, economical way. We try to bring for you best.